Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot free AdBlocker browser app if it is not working. So if you're experiencing issues such as your app is not responding, it keeps on crashing, it is too slow, or it can't work, or it can't block the unwanted ads, then you can simply troubleshoot this by following these steps. In the first method, we want to access the app's info page, and you can do this by long pressing on your app, and then you should see app info. If you tap on this will help you access on your app info. However, if you can't see this app info, you should see a settings gear next to it, or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access its app info page. At this point, we want first to clear the app data, and you can see you can clear it from here. So if I go to storage, you should see here a breakdown of data stored by the app. Of importance is this cache data. So when you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your AdBlocker browser normally collects to enhance user experience. However, when these files accumulate, they might cause your app to malfunction. And to fix this, you may want to go to clear data down below and then tap on clear cache and finally OK. At this point, you'll need to restart your smartphone and open it, and everything should be okay. However, should this not work, then you may want to free up some space by going to manage space and make sure that you have enough space, as well as you'll need to clear all data here by just tapping on clear all data and then confirm by tapping on OK. Now at this point everything should be okay. However, if you still experience any challenge, then they might be that you are using an outdated version of free AdBlocker, and for that you need to go to your Google Play Store or App Store, find out if you have an update your app to the latest version before you can start using it. However, if your app still crashes each and every time you are trying to open it, it doesn't respond or it closes, for that you'll need to uninstall your app and then install it afresh. By doing so, you will clear any bugs that might be associated with your free AdBlocker browser app. So by using any of this, you should be able to have your app running without any issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.